Hey guys, I'm back. Like I said again and again and again and again after. I'm hitting you up with something different. This time I'm gonna teach this in it. How to make this in it. So if you're Nigerian, you definitely probably know how to make it. Otherwise just watch. Maybe you can learn something, add ingredients so far or whatever. So I'll show you and yeah. First things first, you have to get your pot, yeah. Man, have to clean this real quick with like a quick scrub. Oh my. Don't put that much here. Just put like about. If you're using a pot like this, just put about like this much level of water. It depends how much you're making, and obviously, man's gonna take this to. Obviously, there's bare pots here, innit? So like, I'm literally gonna have to. As you guys can see, yeah, man's done that. Oh, quick fire, ooh, and then quick fire. For me, other people do it different if you see them, but me first I open this. It's so hard to do. So you guys, I'm just letting you know. For the meantime, I'm gonna just tell you the instructions in the comments below. So just check that if you need. Now, once all is in, then just literally leave it. Man loves to use this in it because like it's wooden. It's just a wooden spoon. Just wait for it to bubble. I'll be right back. I'll get my ingredients and then yeah. Alright, so for this, all my ingredients are for now, just for today, prawns, Sweetcorn, not that much, so yeah. And then it's still taking time, so literally just leave it. That's what you really have to do. Once it starts going bubbly, then that's when you can add your seasoning.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Yeah,
Somebody come and look at this.
I got friend. If this ever happens,
look at this.
Straight away, cold water, no matter what. Oh my gosh, you can see it starting to bubble now. So I could start to use this. You guys don't understand how hard this is. No. Guys, now you've seen that I've added all of this, so now I just literally have to stir this around for a bit. And then most people add theirs before, but I'm gonna add my other ingredients now. So you get this rich Costco-retic prawn. Get it out. So hard to do this one-handed. Should get like some. Okay. Since there's one more left, I might as well. So that's it. And now it's just sweet corn. Okay, that's calm. And it's finished, so I might as well finish this off. And literally just stir it around. Make sure it's already in nice and everything. Now I'm just gonna wait a bit more because I like mine like with still water left, so I'm just gonna wait for it. If you're really up for the challenge, then you can use, you know, some pepper in it like that. I don't understand. If you guys can hack it, then try it. Otherwise, you can't. I started adding pepper into mine. Like I learned how to do this in kind of year 8 or 9ish. Don't put too much. For people that are starting to do this, if you decide to put pepper, it's calm like that. But because I'm gonna do it, you should put like this much. So just add it there. But because you know, man's Nigerian, man has that Nigerian power in it. Man's gonna add a bit more still, bit more. And one more. Okay. So that's in. Okay, that's done. And then now it's just time to stir it. Make sure the water does not go. If the water finishes at whatever point during this, you have to have like a backup, like a kettle or something. And just pour it and then just wait for it to start boiling again. So yeah. And now you can see it's done. The water's being absorbed. So yep. Now I'm just gonna get my plates real quick. No, not this one. This one ain't my favorite. It's this one right here. As you guys can obviously tell. Now I'm gonna probably be scared of the way I'm gonna do this. So it's going in. The aroma will be totally different. So if there's too much water, then you failed. If there's too little water, then you failed. You might as well just have it like that. But yep. Alright, you guys, now you can see it's finished. So I'm gonna turn that off later. So I'm just gonna. Normally I do it with a spoon, but because I'm only using one hand. So that's it. Oh, yeah, no, oh shoot! Should always turn it off, fam. And then alright, let's go to the main. Hey, you man, I tried to subscribe, yeah. Subscribe, like, you guys see that, innit? That is it. Man's watching What Culture still, but that's it. That's how to be Indomie, blah blah blah. You can have it with water if you want, but if you're having peppers and stuff with it, then it's bad. Anything else for me to say? Not really, but that is it. Peace. Hit my house.